Hi everyone! Welcome back to Draw Animals for Kids, where we have fun learning how to draw amazing animals. Today we will draw a tiger, the king of the jungle, and I will tell you a story about the tiger while drawing. We invite you to follow along. Once upon a time, in a faraway jungle, there lived a brave tiger named Tigo. Tigo was not like other tigers. He had bright orange fur with the shiniest black stripes, and he loved to explore the jungle. Every day, Tigo would walk through the trees, sniffing the flowers, listening to the birds, and making new friends with the animals. One day, while Tigo was exploring, he found a part of the jungle he had never seen before. The trees were tall and thick, and the forest was so quiet that Tigo could hear his own heartbeat. He walked deeper into the forest, curious about what he might find. As Tigo walked, he noticed something strange. The trees were getting closer together, and the path was getting narrower. Soon, Tigo realized he was lost. He looked around, but everything looked the same. The brave tiger felt a little scared, but he took a deep breath and decided to stay calm. I must find my way back home, Tigo thought. He remembered that his friend, Wise Owl, had once told him a secret. When you're lost, follow the sun, and it will guide you back. Tigo looked up at the sky, but he couldn't see the sun because the trees were so thick. He decided to climb the tallest tree to see where the sun was. With his strong paws, Tigo climbed higher and higher until he reached the top. From there, he could see the whole jungle, and he spotted the sun shining brightly in the west. Now I know which way to go, Tigo said to himself. He carefully climbed down the tree and started walking towards the sun. Along the way, he saw some of his animal friends, like the playful monkeys and the colorful parrots. He told them he was lost, and they all offered to help guide him home. With the help of his friends and the sun, Tigo found his way back to his part of the jungle. He was so happy to be home that he roared a big, proud roar. From that day on, Tigo always remembered to stay calm and think carefully when he faced a problem. He also learned that it's okay to ask for help when you're lost. And most importantly, Tigo knew that with a brave heart and good friends, he could find his way out of any trouble. Don't forget to subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids for more exciting drawing adventures. See you next time. Bye!